The main hazard is going to be the strength of the wind, so some really gusty, damaging winds. But also, we've got some heavy rain in the mix and even some snow, mainly over the mountains of Scotland. This is where the amber warning is in force through much of Saturday. The strongest winds here through some of these Irish sea coasts could gust 80 or even 90 miles an hour. But even away from these areas in the west, yellow weather warnings in force across really much of the UK. It's just the north of Scotland that'll see some slightly lighter winds. So windy spell of weather for all of us. Out there today, things are looking relatively calm and dry for many of us, holding on to the sunshine for longest in the east. From the west, though, the cloud builds, the rain moves in across Northern Ireland. It's going to be quite heavy there with those strong winds developing during the afternoon. We won't be seeing the peak of the gusts, though, today. Temperatures only about 6 to 9 in the east, but reaching double figures further west. It's through this evening and tonight that Storm Darragh really starts to show its hand. It moves its way east. Lots of isobars on the maps you can see here, so a really windy spell of weather developing. You can also see a little bit of snow across parts of Scotland. Could be as much as 15 centimetres over the highest ground. Some heavy showers or longer spells of rain rattling through with those brisk winds as well. So as we start the weekend, then we've already got some heavy rain for many of us and strong winds too. They're going to be gusting around about 60, 70 miles an hour for many of us, but as strong as 80 or even 90 in exposure. So these are the inland gusts that we're likely to see, but stronger around coasts and over higher ground as well. It's not going to feel particularly warm where you've got the wind, the heavy showers, temperatures around about 7 to 10 degrees for most of us. Things then do turn a little bit quieter for Sunday, so still some heavy showers in the east, still some windy weather, but gradually Storm Darragh will move away. And thankfully, Naga and Charlie, we have got some slightly quieter weather in store eventually into next week.